Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Time for word of the day. When I lived in Florida, I had a roommate that didn't speak very good English, and every day we had a new good word for him on the board. So that was about a decade ago. Now I'm bringing it to you guys, and it's called cammed out. And a lot of people call it stripping. But when you're talking to your sharpener or your mechanic or whoever, um, that worked. Someone told me to put my hand behind what I wanted it to focus on. Look at that, worked now. So when we call a blade screw cammed out, it refers to the top part here. Like the screwdriver just spins around, doesn't catch it. So when you ruin the top part, that's called camming out. And when you ruin the threads here, you can see what I'm doing here, down here, that's called stripping. Or if the hole it goes into isn't catching it, that's called stripping. Everything, the top part's called cammed out, so that way you can tell your sharpener, hey, I think I cammed out my blade drive screw, because a cammed out blade drive screw costs $1 or $2, whereas a stripped out housing here on this clipper costs maybe $5 to $10 plus the labor to install a new motor mount. But on a lot of the other clippers, you got to replace the whole motor. So now you're looking at like a $60 to $80 repair versus a $1 repair. So just when you're communicating, just remember that cammed out, stripped. And if I'm wrong, let me know. But that's the way I learned it. Bye.